Welcome to our video on unlocking secret garden items in Grow a Garden. Today, we'll dive into the mysteries waiting for you. Secret garden items are like gems hidden within your garden. They enhance your experience and make your garden truly special. First, let's identify those hidden areas on your garden map. Keep an eye out for unusual spots that might just hold secrets. Next, we'll tackle the quests necessary to unlock these items. Follow our step-by-step guide to ensure you don't miss a thing. Let's discuss some common mistakes players make when searching for these hidden items and how to avoid them. Collaboration is key. Working with fellow gardeners can reveal hidden secrets faster. Don't go it alone. Don't forget about seasonal events. They often offer new items and quests to uncover during limited-time activities. Social media can be a treasure trove of information. Check out forums and social channels for endless tips and clues. Now let's showcase some of the rarest secret items you can find and how they can transform your garden. To wrap up, remember the strategies we've discussed and keep exploring. Your secret garden awaits.